Google is rumored to launch at least 3 smartphones in October at its annual hardware unveiling event, the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. Recently we heard that the Pixel Fold 2 has been renamed to Pixel 9 Pro Fold and might join these. The Pixel 9 Pro has now leaked in hands-on live images, one of which shows it next to an iPhone 15 Pro Max, while the Pixel 9 Pro should have similar dimensions to the vanilla Pixel 9, just with added Pro features like the periscope telephoto rear camera you can see in these pictures. The Pixel 9 Pro will also be similar in size to the iPhone 15 Pro. And last week leaked Google Pixel 9 Pro case's hands-on video. Google is adding native support for satellite messaging to Android OS this year with Android 15. The Pixel 9 family and Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold could be the first to support Android's native satellite implementation. The rear camera module has been redesigned but still looks very much like a Pixel phone. The Pixel 9 Pro is also seen in a blue color, which will most likely be joined by more options. Pixel 9 will offer a 6.01-inch 120Hz OLED display, compared to the 6.5-inch Pixel 9 Pro XL. Pixel 9 Pro come with triple camera setup with some new AI features. New Google smartphone with Google Tensor G4, and lots of AI features. The phone will feature an octa-core processor with a power core clocked at 3.10 GHz, 3 cores clocked at 2.60 GHz, and 4 cores at 1.95 GHz, with a Mali G715 GPU along with 8 or 12 GB of RAM. The Pixel 9 series to be the first devices to launch with Android 15 out of the box. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.